VATank IoT solution for water tank system in Valencia, Venezuela. With this project, we are aiming to help a town in Venezuela. For security and privacy reasons, we can disclose the name of the town, but we are targeting a key challenge in this community, water infrastructure management. The problem, this community features 3 water tanks, crucial for water supply for the entire year. Currently, the infrastructure is more than 60 years old, made of mechanical sensors, and communication is done via an aerial cable that is vulnerable to disruptions 50% of the time. The reason for this is mainly that in Venezuela, it's rainy season half of the year. So that means that in rainy season, there are a lot of trees that fall because of storms. The other half of the year is drought season. So not a lot of water, and due to current infrastructure, there's a scarcity of it for the community. So our main goals were implementing sensors that can control the system via automation, real-time monitoring of water that in long-term scenario will be able to mitigate the impact of water scarcity thanks to data analysis.
As you can see, here's our homepage just for introduction purposes, and when we will click check demo, it will send us to an authentication system. Why? Because there's sensitive information. We want to allow just two type of users: admin user that has all rights to the system, and technician user that is only able to check the current status of the system. Here's the dashboard where you can check the status of each of the tanks. There are two bases: reservoir that has 2 tanks and mountain that has one aerial tank. We also have a settings and billing option that we plan to implement later in the project. Because reservoir and mountain bases are separated by more than 500 meters, we needed to implement RF communication. The system is working with Arduinos and general sensor for this MVP, but for real implementation, we would need industry type of sensors. The ultrasonic sensor check the water level of each of the tanks and then send it to the Arduino that controls different valves and a pump to give water to the mountain tank. For the RF communication, we use diagonal antennas because of the distance between the bases. So here's a details list of the hardware and for the tech stack.
For the radio frequency communications, we use an NRF24L01 RF module. Everything of this, you can find it on the repository on GitHub. Here, you can check the position of the reservoir and mountain base. You can see the frequency band that we are using, and each of the antennas should be at least 20 meters above ground. We can be a little more flexible with this, as you can see, but it's better to work with these parameters. For future improvements, we want to enhance sensor technology, so not only monitor water levels, but also track water quality parameters such as pH, turbidity, and contaminants. We can include also other devices, not just valves and pumps. Implement machine learning algorithms. That way, we can analyze historical data and predict future water consumption patterns. That is our main goal. With this project, we want to significantly change this community in Venezuela. Thanks, BayAreaHacks, and thanks for the presentation too.